Welcome to our detailed breakdown of the latest updates to India's import policy. In this video, we'll explore the key amendments made to the Indian Trade Classification Harmonized System (ITC) HS 2022 Schedule I Import Policy in alignment with the Finance Act 2025. Issued by the Directorate General of Foreign Trade (DGFT) under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. These changes aim to streamline import regulations and ensure compliance with the latest legislative framework. Here's what we'll cover in this video. Overview of the notification. We'll explain the purpose of Notification No. 44/2025-26, issued on 15 October 2025, and its immediate effect on import policies. Key amendments. Learn about the insertion, deletion, amendment, splitting, and merging of various ITC, HS, codes. We'll highlight specific changes, such as the deletion of certain items like parboiled rice and roasted nuts, and the introduction of new codes for items like pesticides and plant growth regulators. New policy conditions. A new policy condition No. 07 has been introduced for chapters 29 and 38, mandating that pesticide imports require a certificate of registration from the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee, CIB and RC, and compliance with the Insecticides Act, 1968. Revised section notes and chapter-wise main notes. We'll discuss the updated notes and supplementary notes for various chapters, including definitions for specific items like rice, GI recognized, natural menthol, and makhana. Impact on importers and businesses. Understand how these changes will affect importers, traders, and businesses dealing with goods listed under the ITC, HS, codes. We'll also touch on the implications of the new restrictions and free import policies for certain items. Whether you're an importer, exporter, or simply interested in India's trade policies, if you face any issues related to indirect tax, customs, GST, foreign trade policy, contact us on the details given in the bio.